What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at this ebook page turner. Now, this was sent out to me by this company. Big shout out to them for sending it over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So, this is perfect for using with your ebook readers, your Amazon Fire tablets, your iPads, Samsung devices, smartphones. You can use this for turning the pages while you're reading. You can also snap photos with your smartphones, and you can start recording videos. Now, this would be good for things like looking at TikTok, strolling through, and you can also like and pause with this as well while you're on your social media. Some of the features and details is ease of use and practical. All you have to do is just clip it on the string and slide the remote control wheel. You don't need Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It's just going to work. You're going to get extra long battery life out of this. So you get 30 days of use out of the clip. That's the part you're going to clip on the display. You're going to get 4 hours of daily use with this. This is going to take about an hour and a half to charge, and it's about 90 days battery on the remote control. And it's going to come in two colors. You get it in black and white. So those are a few of the features and details. Like I said, I'll leave the product purchase link down below. Here's the packaging that it comes in. Quick response, rechargeable, page turning, control video, mobile phone shooting, just like I said before. And let's go ahead and get the box open to check this out. So this is something unique, man. When they contacted me and asked me would I like to take a look at this device, I said sure. Something interesting and something new. So here's what's inside of the packaging. So you're going to get your user's manual. And it's pretty simple to set up, practical and easy to do. You're just going to snap it on your string and start using it. So we will definitely reference that if we need to. So you're going to get your charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. You get a carabiner. So here's the carabiner, or your wrist strap, I should say. And you got to get your clip. Now this is the part that you will put on your device, and this is part of the page turning or strolling or whatever. There's a button here. We're going to check out all of that, and then this is going to be your remote right here. All right, so here's the remote. And as you guys see, you have a scroll wheel here, you have a button there, and your charging port, and that is pretty much it. So here's the clip. This opens up like that, and you're going to clip it on there, and you do have a button. So let me get a tablet, get this thing set up, and then we'll try it out. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have my Amazon Fire HD10. I'm going to use that to demonstrate the page turner in the Kindle app. Earlier I said you didn't need Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but you will need Bluetooth if you want to use your controller to do things like stroll on your social media. So first you have to pair these two together. So what you got to do is press 2 seconds on each button. The charging port for this page turner is right there. I didn't show that earlier. So 2 seconds here, and you'll see it flashing. 2 seconds over here. And that pairs these two together just like that, and they're ready to go. And I'll show you how to put it in pair mode if you want to use it for strolling to connect to your phone or your tablets. So we're going to open up the Kindle app over here. I'll slide this on top like that, and that's all you need to do. So to stroll, I just turn my wheel. As you guys see, I'm strolling. Very easy. So if I wanted to stroll here, as you guys see, I can stroll. So landscape or portrait mode, you're going to be good. So that is the page turner. So let's go ahead and I'll bring in my phone. So here's my Google Pixel Fold. So we're going to go into the camera app, and here's the camera button right there. So what you have to do is take the page turner, which is not going to be a page turner now. It's going to be a shot, So here it is. Take a photo, as you guys see. There's the photo, and I can start video as well and stop the video. So we're going to set it up to use it as a remote next. Okay guys, to disconnect them, you just hold down on the button here until it just shuts off. You guys can kind of see the flash in there. It'll stop in a second. There it is. Now to put this in Bluetooth mode, you press down on the scroll wheel and this button until you see the light become solid blue. And there it is, solid blue. You guys can see that. So now I go to my tablet and I go to settings, Bluetooth right here. Go to pair a new device, and there it is, the LBERO1, and it should pair. There's the pairing request right there. You go ahead and pair, and it is paired. You guys see it is paired right there. So we're gonna go ahead and let's go into something like Facebook and stroll on Facebook. So we'll stroll on Facebook, as you guys see. Can stroll very easily. Now I do say it is a little fast on strolling on Facebook, but you can stop it at any time just like that. So if I wanted to look at this photo right here, make it larger, I can just click on it and I can continue to stroll just like this. So it's a little fast, but it works great. I wanted to look at this photo right here, make it larger, and just continue to stroll. So it's a little fast on strolling on Facebook, but it works. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay guys, so this has been my look at this very nice ebook page turner. It's actually more than just a ebook page turner, but this will work with Android, your Kindles, your Amazon Fires, your Samsung tablets, also your phones, your Apples, your Samsungs or Google phones or whatever you have. This is going to work for strolling your social media. For turning the pages, it is very nice to be hands-free and just push, strolling the stroll wheel. Everything is easy to set up, and you're going to get some excellent battery life as well. So I would definitely leave the product purchase link down below. You can take your photos, take your videos remotely as well. I'll leave the product purchase link down below. If you guys want to pick this up, Will H. I'm out.